Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a security assessment with BlackBerry, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering the necessary tools and access credentials for your BlackBerry environment. Enter the BlackBerry Security Platform dashboard. Navigate to the Assessments section in the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Select the option to create a new security assessment. Begin by naming your assessment to ensure easy identification later. Choose the type of assessment that best fits your needs. Decide on the scope, focusing on specific devices, applications, or services. Configure the parameters of the assessment based on your organization's requirements. Set the frequency of assessments to determine how often evaluations will occur. Add any stakeholders or team members who should receive updates or results. Review your settings to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, proceed to initiate the assessment. Monitor the progress of the assessment through the dashboard. After completion, access the results and analysis provided by BlackBerry. Evaluate the findings and identify any vulnerabilities or areas for improvement. Compile a report summarizing the assessment's results for easy reference. Plan necessary actions based on the assessment results to enhance security. Distribute the report to relevant stakeholders for review and implementation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.